Not every rare disease is the same, and you can't take the same approach to every study. You have to really be able to pivot to set up that study the correct way all the way through. And you try and understand where the patient is in their disease state and what they go through on a regular basis with their disease. I think that's the first step. And then partnering with the advocacy groups kind of around that. The other thing is going to where the patients are. And you can't expect in a rare disease study the patients are just going to come to you. Certain doctors, they treat the patients, but they don't know how to do clinical trials. You have to be able to pivot around that. And one of the things we do in rare disease studies is train the doctors and their staff on actually how to do the clinical trial because they have the patients.
We ensure that the protocols are powered enough to find efficacy signals by involving biostatistics early in the process. And by looking at the sample size and the error estimates, we can make sure that the study's powered sufficiently to collect data to detect true differences between control arms and interventional arms. We believe that it's important to plan early to maximize success in the trial.
One thing that's unique about Cadia with our global presence and having more than half of the organization in APAC, we're able to go to where the patients are globally. A lot of times when you're conducting rare disease studies, you have to go where the studies haven't been done. I worked on a study in FOP. It's actually a rare bone disorder in children. We were able to enroll 30-40% of the study in China because that's a region that wasn't tapped in previous clinical trials. So you have to go outside of where the studies have been typically conducted and go to where the patients are globally.